October 29, 2025, at around 7:50 a.m. at a commercial building construction site in Seongnam, Gyeonggi Province. A subcontractor worker in his 60s was performing ground leveling work when he was struck by a reversing excavator and was killed. Recent similar accident cases on August 5, 2025, at a manufacturing site in Sangju, North Gyeongsang Province. A similar fatal accident also occurred when a worker was hit by a reversing excavator.
Today's Industrial Safety OX Quiz. When an excavator is reversing, an alarm or signal device must be activated. If you have a lot of experience, you can enter the excavator's working radius. Assigning a guide when an excavator is reversing is not optional but mandatory. Assignment of a guide when construction machinery is reversing. It is not optional but legally mandatory.